Judgment is expected in the bail application of 14 people arrested for the Zandspruit Vigilante Attacks. 8 suspected criminals were rounded up, beaten and burnt to death in May this year. The Roodepoort Magistrates Court will rule on the bail application tomorrow. Khayelihle Khumalo has been following the story. He joins us now. Hi, Khaya. So the bail application, which a decision is expected tomorrow, but it's dominated proceedings today. Tell us more about that.
Well, that's right, Sally. So that has really just been a main issue today for all the suspects. And also, we do understand that they are charged under Schedule 6. So that means that they really had to provide exceptional circumstances before the magistrates. So a lot of them really were banking on the current conditions where they are held. So they are saying that there's overcrowding in some of the cells where they are held. And some also do claim that they do have chronic illnesses, so it's not sustainable for them to be kept in those cells. The better option is for them to be released, but also vying to comply with their bail conditions. Their lawyers also insisting that, for example, if they do get granted bail, so one of the options is that they do need to report to their nearest police stations. But other than that, we do know that, Sally, the state has always been clear in its position. They do insist that this is a very dangerous group, with them being away from Zandspruit, peace is prevailing in that particular community. And we know that in light of that incident in May, a lot of things happened in terms of the destabilization of the community, but highlighting also a great deal of concern facing the community of Zandspruit when it comes to fighting crime. So we got an opportunity to speak to one of their lawyers, and this is what he had to say.
I believe that we've given everything that the court requires, or the law requires of us to give, in order for my client to be released on bail. We shall have to wait until tomorrow to see if the court agrees with the application and the submissions made for accused number 10.
All right, so bail decision likely tomorrow, then what?
So that's true, Sally. So now the magistrate is facing a very enormous task of really just looking at all the issues that have really just been adduced before her, and then she's going to make her decision. So that's when, but it's going to be preceded by the state. So the state will have an opportunity once again to try and sort of affirm its argument before the magistrate, and then she's going to make her ruling in as far as the bail application is concerned. But I can tell you, Sally, you know, some of the family members do attend the court proceedings. You can see that they are really getting tired. They really see that, you know, a lot of things have happened in this particular case, and they really want to see justice prevailing in this regard.
All right. Well, thank you very much for that update. I'm sure we'll chat again tomorrow. Khayelihle Khumalo.